guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today is one of the days where I'm just cooking a very quick breakfast recipe. Okay, so when you don't wake up early and you just want to do something very quick and healthy, this is what I go for. Okay, so first of all, I've got avocado here. Okay, I've just cut them into two. I'm just using one, but I've cut the back of it so that it will be able to stand. Okay, so what I'm doing here is to put one egg into the avocado. You just have to be careful with that. Right guys, so this is our egg there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spice it. Okay, first of all, I'll add a bit of salt to it, and then I'll add some black pepper, and then I'm going to add a bit of onion powder. You can add as many things as you want, so it's up to your preference. And I add a bit of paprika, and then this is just optional. Okay, some chili flakes. So what I'm going to do, all right, is to just put that in the oven for 10 minutes, but I'll cover it for 5 minutes. And then when I open it up, I'm going to add some fine tomatoes to it. Okay, right, so whilst my avocado is in the oven, so quickly I'm trying to just toast my bread. Okay, and then I'll do a bit of bacon to add to it. So I'll put a bit of butter in there. Okay, this is really a quick recipe, just under 10 minutes. So I'll just put my baguette. I'm using baguette, so I'll just put that there. I'm just toasting it. So I'll wait for just about a few seconds and I'll turn it. My baguette is done. Right guys, so it's been 5 minutes, so I've opened it up and I'm adding tomatoes and I'm putting it back in for another 5 minutes. So guys, I'm adding a bit of bacon. So I have some rapeseed oil in the pan, so I'm adding. I've just chopped the bacon into small pieces. Okay guys, I just want a nice crispy bacon, so I'll wait for just a few minutes and I'll take them off. Right guys, as you can see here, bacon is ready. It's nice, so I'm just taking it out to my plate. So guys, this is our quick breakfast recipe. Is so delicious. Okay, and it's very easy to do. I forgot to tell you that you have to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius and put your avocado in. And this is just under 10 minutes, just 10 minutes breakfast, and you can just enjoy it as I'm about to. Okay, so this is just a very quick recipe. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, and please put on your post notifications as you subscribe to my channel, so that when I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much, and may God richly bless you. Bye.